Hey guys, I am presently at Young Africa and I am here to boost my creativity. Hearing about these events, painting, a sip and paint, and also doing pottery, I got so excited and I was like, I need to book this immediately. So I went on Young Africa website and I booked for the event, and I am here now to see how it goes. I'm so excited and I'll be happy to share that with you. So come with me so we can experience this together. Guys, can you see this? I've been painting and I completely love it. I had no idea I could paint like this. It's really beautiful and it's such a vibe. I love the environment, good music, good wine, just sitting, chilling, networking. It's so much fun. Hey guys, so I am finally done with my work of art and I so love it. As you can see, there are yellow flowers and these yellow flowers signify my kids. How they make me feel happy, and they make me feel like the best mom ever. This was such a fun activity. We interacted with each other. I made new friends. This is something I would definitely ask you to try. You know nothing about painting and all that, but when you get here, get inspired. Like I had no idea. When I say I had no idea, I had no idea of what I was going to come and paint, but I still came up with something. Yes guys, here we are.